Are you planning a trip to Mexico and need a reliable eSIM to stay connected? In this video, we will show you how to easily purchase and activate an eSIM for Mexico. Whether you are staying for a week or a month, we have got the best options for you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which eSIM data plan is right for your trip to Mexico. Before choosing a data plan, make sure your phone supports eSIMs. Most new phones do, but if you're unsure, check your settings. The best eSIM for Mexico depends on your data needs and length of stay. For trips lasting 1 to 2 weeks, 5 to 10 GB should be enough for emails, messaging and navigation. If you're staying longer, consider a higher data package or an unlimited plan to avoid running out of data. Some eSIM providers also support top-ups. Now that you know how much data you need, let's compare the available plans. Head over to simpickers.com and look up data plans for Mexico, or simply click the link in the description to see the latest eSIM deals. Start by selecting the duration of your stay. You will first see the most affordable options for a 7-day trip. If you're staying longer, adjust your trip length and explore plans for 30 days or more. Remember this tip: if you use a lot of data, sort the plans by data to get the most gigabytes. Be aware that some unlimited plans may slow down your speed after a certain limit. If you need consistent high-speed data, look for a high data plan with no restrictions. Are you not sure which plan to choose? Check out the quick summary at the end of the list to find the best, cheapest and unlimited data plans from Mexico all in one place. Once you have found the perfect data plan, click Buy Now to purchase directly from the eSIM provider. During checkout, make sure to use our exclusive promo code found on our deals page to save on your purchase. After your purchase, you will receive instructions for installing your eSIM. Typically, you just need to scan the QR code with your phone, install the eSIM and activate it. If you encounter any issues when activating your eSIM, refer to the instructions. Depending on the provider, you may need to input specific APN settings or manually select the correct network. And if you're still having trouble, reach out to the eSIM provider. The top-rated providers on simpickers.com offer responsive customer support. And that's how you can find and activate the best eSIM for Mexico. If you're still deciding between providers, check out our reviews and comparison guides on simpickers.com. If you plan to visit multiple countries in the region, we recommend getting a regional eSIM plan for North America so you can connect without the hassle of buying multiple eSIMs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more travel tips. Thanks for watching and safe travels!